The result will be available on the official website of the board. This is gbshse.in. This is the link, results.gbshse.goa.net. Only they should have a credentials in front of them. The credentials will be available on their hall ticket. One is the seat number that is required. It is a school code and date of birth in the format date and month. This is how it will look like. Seat number. They will have to fill up the school index. Date of birth. Example is given as 01/05, and then it's a captcha, and then they can get their results. This examination was conducted at 31 examination centers across the state. The SSA examination, this was held in two terminal system. The first terminal, this was held between October 10/11/2022 to 29/11/2022. In the month of October it was. And second term, this was from 1st April to 24th April. The first term, this was totally based on multiple choice questions, and second term, this was a subjective type questions. The final result is prepared based on the performance of the first term, second term, and the internal assessment. We will not issue any separate mark sheet for term 1 and term 2, but for the purpose of official record to the schools, we will give them the consolidated sheet, that is a result sheet of term 1 and term 2 if required. Otherwise, the consolidated result sheet will be available on their school login ID. There will be only one mark sheet, which is the combining the performance of the first term, second term, and the internal assessment. As you are aware that the passing criteria is 33% out of 100 marks, provided, very important, that a candidate gets minimum of 21% of combined marks of term 1 and term 2. If the candidate is a sports person, instead of 21%, the candidate should get 11%, and then we will exercise the sport merit marks to make the total as 21%. If it is not, then the sport marks will be carried forward. This is the verification process. Verified, in case somebody wants to apply for a photocopy, verified photocopy of the answer books, they can do so by 25th May 2023. This is the last date. Re-evaluation they can apply till 29/5/2023. Verification of marks in absentia is last date is 29th May 2023. If the candidate applies for verified photocopy and or re-evaluation, she or he will not be permitted to apply for verification of marks in absentia, because everything will be covered in those two cases. Schools, they are required to make the payment through payment gateway provided on the Goa board website. Individual candidates are not permitted to apply for verification. They have to make a request through the school itself, and the schools will send the request in a lot after making a payment. Some candidates, if they want to apply for re-evaluation after getting a photocopy, they can do so by following the date schedule. No candidate will be permitted to apply for verified photocopy, verification of marks in absentia, and re-evaluation of answer books, because it just will not serve any purpose. So they can apply either verified photocopy, check the photocopy, and then apply it for re-evaluation, or you directly apply for the re-evaluation. Supplementary examination will be conducted, or supplementary examination will be conducted by this board somewhere in the mid of June 2023. Now, who can appear for this supplementary examination? Number one, the candidates who are placed in the needs improvement category, the candidates who are placed in etiquette category, or the candidates who have withdrawn their form because of this reason or that reason. So all of them should take the benefit of supplementary examination. Especially the candidates etiquette, they should not be under the impression that they have been allowed to keep the terms, therefore they should not appear for the supplementary examination. They should appear for the supplementary examination, which is a golden opportunity, and they should try to clear their examination so that there will not be any stress on their 11th standard studies. Now ATKT is granted to those candidates who have got the remark as needs improvement in one or two subjects. So if the overall grade is I or H, 2 I's, 2 H or 1 I, 1 H. I and H are non-qualifying grades. So if they have got these grades, then they have to clear that particular subjects, or they have to apply for a verification. Still, if it is not cleared, then they have to answer this supplementary examination. We are giving here tentative date for supplementary examination. This is mid of June. Maybe we'll start from 20th of June 2023. These are the online services which are available from the board's side. The online services, migration certificate, they need not come and collect the mark sheet. They can apply online, make a payment and collect the migration certificate, which is digitally signed. If they want the hard copy through post, then they have to, that facility will be also available. Enrollment of the private candidate, this is also online. Institution services like recognition fees, then they have to make a payment for the re-evaluation, etc. is also online. Online registration for 9th standard and 11th standard, this is also online, and students can check their credentials also. And all application forms are available on the board's site. 2-3 things that for pre-vocational, the number of the candidates sponsored, they were always less than 500, number one. Number two, under the pre-vocational, this was since 2011, the students were given the opportunity to drop one of the subjects. So either they can drop maths, science, or it is social science. And therefore what used to happen is that they never used to study the maths at 9th standard, and so also 10th standard. So now they will be studying the maths and they will be also opting for pre-vocational. So they will be coming under 7 subject formula. In fact, they will get a benefit. They will at least get a benefit of getting cleared best 6 out of 7. This is the reason. This is also fine arts, astronomy. These are the 2 subjects. These are the 2 subjects which are coming as the 7th subject. So for fine arts, their drawing teacher is conducting the classes. Astronomy, the friends of astronomy is teaching our teachers, and they are conducting the classes for the astronomy. And we have also set up quite a number of the observatories, and friends of astronomy is helping us in this regard. So in fact, astronomy we have come out with last 2 years, and this is one of the great initiative that is taken by the board, and we have come out with our own syllabus. Yes, that is also the 7 subjects. So out of 7, if they pass in any 6 subject, they will be through. ना ATKT कितें आसना न्ही, ATKT म्हणल्यार ताका ते फक्त फॅसिलिटी दिल्या आमी ती. सो ही ऑर शी इज ऑल्सो कमिंग अंडर नीड्स इम्प्रुवमेंट. तो फक्त ताका एक फॅसिलिटी दिल्या की तूं 11वेक तुज्यान टर्म दवरूंक मेळटा तुका. 11वेचो फर्स्ट टर्म दवर, सेकंड टर्म, आनी सायमल्टेनियसली तूं तुजी एग्जाम क्लियर कर. सो ताका आतां ATKT वाल्याक अशें न्ही की तो पास जाला. ही इज अलाउड टू अपियर, कीप द टर्म फॉर 11th स्टँडर्ड. ताजो रिजल्ट 11वेचो रिजल्ट आमी डिक्लेअर करचे ना टील ही ऑर शी क्लियर्स द 10th स्टँडर्ड एक्झामिनेशन. ताका 2 ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी आसा. एक आसा ती आतां सप्लिमेंटरी, आनी दुसरी आसतली ताका मार्चात जर ताणी क्लियर करूंक ना, हांगाय क्लियर करूंक ना, मार्चातय करूंक ना, 11वेचो रिजल्टाचो डिक्लेअर जावचो ना. 11वेचो रिजल्ट जावचो ना, ताका 12वेक ते वचूंक मेळचें ना. सो तांच्यांनी 11वेक आसतनाच तो 10वेचो रिजल्ट ह्या 2 एटेम्प्टात क्लियर करचो पडटा. That is if they fail in 1 or 2 subjects. Yeah, if there are more than 2 subjects, if they are failing in 3, 4, 5 or 6, they will have to clear it either in supplementary, or they will not get any admissions in 11th standard.
So when the result will provide on the website?
Website it is already open. 4:30.
Sir, first time language मातशें कमी हे जालें आनी सायन्स आनी मॅथ्साक लेवल आसा. लँग्वेज कमी
हे कशें आमकां कशें आयलां जाणा, म्हणजे ऑब्जर्वेशन अशें दाखयता की पयलो जो फर्स्ट टर्म आसली न्ही, ते सगळे मल्टिपल चॉयस क्वेश्चन्स आसले. थंय ते टीक मारून तांच्यांनी ती आन्सरां किंवा तांकां तो स्कोर मेळ्ळो. दुसरो आसलो ते बरोवपाचें पडलें तांकां. सो तो बरयता आसतना तांकां ती प्रॅक्टीस जाय, ते एप्लिकेशन असले तर थंय ते भुरग्याक खंय तरी कमी पडले म्हणून सेकंड टर्माचो जो परफॉर्मन्स आसा न्ही तो कमी पडलो आनी फर्स्ट टर्माचो परफॉर्मन्स बरो आयलो म्हणून ते एक रिजन आसूं येता ते खंय तरी ताजी पर्संटेज कमी जाली मॅथ्सात आमचो रिजल्ट बरो आसा सायन्सात ते रिजल्ट बरो आसा पूण लँग्वेजीस तो कमी आयला सो हे एक रिजन आसा GBSHSC हे पण न्ही दाखयता फर्स्ट gbshsc.in results.gbshsc.goa.net फक्त तांच्याकडे क्रेडेन्शियल्स जाय सीट नंबर जाय स्कूल कोड जाय आणि डेट ऑफ बर्थ जाय ह्या फॉर्मॅटात तांच्यांनी करचें पडटा
additions in 11th science and maths 1 and maths 2 हे continuous
मॅथ्स 1 आमी कशें म्हटलां की मॅथ्स 1 जो आसा न्ही जो रेग्युलर आसा रेग्युलर भुरग्यांक पयलो प्रेफरन्स दिवचो आनी तातूंतल्यान जर सीट्स जर आसा जाल्यार लेवल 2 भुरग्यांक दिवचे आतां तातूंत दोन गोश्टी आसा सपोज म्हाजे कडेन सीट्स सगळे फूल जाले जाल्यार लेवल 2 वाल्यांक प्रेफरन्स मेळचो ना म्हाजे कडेन सीट्स म्हजे भरूंक ना आनी लेवल 2 वाले भुरगे आसात यू परमीट देम आनी एक गोश्ट आमी केल्या जर लेवल 2 भुरगे ज्यांनी घेतला तांकां जर सपोज लेवल 1 घेवन बसोवंक जाय जाल्यार दे वील बी परमिटेड टू अपियर इन दीस सप्लिमेंटरी एग्जामिनेशन ह्या सप्लिमेंटरी एग्जामीक बसून तुमी तुमचो स्कोर दाखयात सिलेबस सेम आसा फक्त सिलेबस फूल आसतलो सप्लिमेंटरी एग्जामीक सिलेबस मात्र फूल आसतलो तो तांच्यांनी फर्स्ट टर्माचो आनी सेकंड टर्माचो तो परफॉर्मन्स घेवन तांचो स्कोर जो आसा लेवल 1चो स्कोर दिसतलो तांकां पूण आमची ही जी स्कीम आसा न्ही ती स्कीम कशी आसली की ज्या भुरग्यांक डिफिकल्ट लागता असो कॉन्सेप्ट ना ज्या भुरग्यांक मॅथ्स कंटिन्यू करपाचें ना आसा फुडें त्या भुरग्यांनी लेवल 2 घेवचो सो दॅट दे कॅन फोकस इन द अदर एरियाज असो तो कॉन्सेप्ट आसलो आनी हां 9th आनी 11th डायरेक्ट आमचे कडेन रेजिस्ट्रेशन जाता ती फिगरूय आमचे कडेन आसा इतलेंच न्हय 9थाचो रिजल्टूय आमचे कडेन आमी तांकां सांगलां रिजल्टूय आमचे कडेन तुमी अपलोड करा म्हणून सो म्हाका आतां हांव सांगूं आतां म्हजें स्टॅटिस्टीक ना पूण 9थाचो रिजल्टूय बोर्डा कडेन आसता 11वेचो रिजल्टूय बोर्डा कडेन आसता ते स्टॅटिस्टीक बोर्डा कडेन आसता आनी ताची एडवांटेज कितें आसा की 9थाक भुरग्यान रेजिस्टर केलें की ताचें नांव चुकलां आसत डेट ऑफ बर्थ चुकला आसत किंवा आनी कितें चुकलां आसत जाल्यार ते ताका संदी मेळटा एक 2 वर्सां खातीर ताका संदी मेळटा नाल्यार आमकां कशें आतां 10वेचो रिजल्ट जालो 12 रिजल्ट जाल्या उपरांत मागीर क्वेरी येता हें नांव चुकलां हें करूंक ना तें करूंक ना अशें येतात ते म्हणून ते ह्या 2 वर्सांच्या कालावधीत तांच्यांनी ते सगळे अपडेट करप हय तशी मागीर येतात ते हय तरी पण आमी तांकां संदी दिल्या तांच्यांनी रिपोर्ट कार्ड चॅक करप एक सर्क्युलर घातला ताचेर तांच्यांनी ते पयलींच सगळ्या स्कुलांक आमी सांगलां की तुमी रिजल्ट मेळ्ळ्या उपरांत 24 तारखेक रिजल्ट रोखडोच तो कार्डां वांटूं नाका ती तुमी ती पळयात तुमचे चॅक करात ती कशी आहा ती म्हणजे त्या भुरग्याची मार्क्स सगळे आसात काय ना ताचेर बरोबर रिमार्क आयला काय ना प्रिंटींग मिस्टेक आसूं येता ते सगळे जाल्या उपरांत त्या भुरग्याचे मार्क्स ताका देव ना एकदां जाता अशें हेचे रिपोर्ट कार्ड ताका गेलें तेचे रिपोर्ट कार्ड ताका गेलें आनी तो एका रिपोर्ट कार्डाचेर दुसरीच सायन मारता आनी मागीर परत आमचे कडेन ते येतात तशें जावचें न्ही सो त्या भुरग्याक ते कार्ड दिवचें आनी एक तुमकां सांगूंक सोदता की ही फक्त स्टेटमेंट ऑफ मार्क्स आसा स्टेटमेंट ऑफ मार्क्स जाल्या उपरांत मागीर तांकां आमी पासींग सर्टिफिकेट दितले जे 3 म्हयन्यांनी सर्वसाधारण 3 म्हयन्यांनी आमी दितात थँक्यू